Dr. Kristie Ennis. Welcome to Follow Me Friday and a quick, effective, and safe workout you can do right at home for your shoulders. The only equipment you need is a little hand towel or a pillowcase for our last exercise and a set of light dumbbells. Now, if you don't happen to have light dumbbells at home, grab some canned goods that have been sitting there collecting dust, and those work just as well. 4 exercises standing and 1 on the ground, so let's get started. All right, exercise number 1. One arm is going to actually stay out, so both arms are working at the same time here. You're going to go at about a 30-degree angle. It's okay if you don't know the exact angle. Roughly 30 degrees. One arm goes up. Other arm is going to lift to about shoulder height as you squeeze those shoulders together and back down. So we're doing 10. So I'm going to count that as 2, 3. This is why we're using light, though. 4, you will feel this. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now that arm stays up, this one moves. There's 1. You might already be feeling a little shaky. 2. These are 3 pounds, just so you guys know. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good. Okay, I'm going to turn to the side a little. You're going to shift those hips back. Arms are going to come down by your side, thumbs pointing up. From here, we're going to bring our arms not directly out to the side, just in front a little, and then we're raising, right? So still squeeze into those shoulder blades and lift for 2, 3, 4, 5. We're protecting the shoulder here a little. 6. You don't want to go directly out to the side while you're standing. 8, 9, and 10. Good. I'm going to stay right here. We're going to stay in this position. Weights are going to come forward, squeezing into those shoulder blades. Little bend in those elbows as you bring them kind of up and back. Working more the back of the shoulder now. There's 2, 3. We got front, side, back. 4, 5, 6. If it hurts to stand, you certainly could do these sitting and kind of bent over as well. 8, 9. 1 more is 10. Good. I'm going to drop a weight gently. This is going to be the whole pattern of the shoulder here. So we're going to call it swashbuckling. You're going to start towards one side of the hip, and you're rotating that arm up, out, and open. Up, out, and open. Now, if it hurts to go up too high, it's okay. Just start down low. You can always keep a little bend in that elbow if you need to as well, but this is the plane the shoulder moves in, so we want to try to work it that way. That's 5. Can you see how it's like swashbuckling though? 6, 7. What's a pirate's favorite letter? R. 9. And 1 more is 10. Whew, switching sides. 3 pounds works for me, I can tell you that. 1, 2, 3. Don't forget to check out my little membership there too. 5, right on the screen. 6, 7, 8, 9. 1 more, and then we are going right down onto the ground, onto our side. Last exercise, we're striking our model pose, just like George Costanza. You need your hand towel or pillowcase just folded up lightly. This is going to go underneath the arm. You're going to squeeze that upper arm down, grabbing onto that dumbbell. Make sure the wrist stays where it is. Don't let the wrist do the work. Squeeze, and then lift just that forearm up. Gentle squeeze in the shoulder blade. Again, we're getting 10. There's 3, 4. Now these muscles tend to be a little bit weaker in people, so you may even need to drop the weight a little bit. 6, 7. Support your head out however you need to. 8, 9, and 10. And let's do a little flipperoo to get to the other side. Maybe not as smooth and graceful as it could be, but oh well. All right, so same idea. Keep that towel squeezed. Make sure the wrist isn't doing the work by flipping up, okay? I'm still counting that one though. 2, 3. Don't rotate backwards either. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good, quick work today, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in today, you guys. If you want to get rid of pain anywhere in your body on your own with just one little portable device, don't forget to check out the Derma Edge. I created this while I was going through Lyme disease to help get rid of my pain on my own, nice and gently. It's patented and made in the US, actually right down the road in Laconia from where my office is. So don't forget, you can click the link here or in the description to order your own.